Okay, today we're going to talk about global catastrophe. Everybody thinks that nuclear war is the most dangerous catastrophe in the world, but I don't think so. Because everybody understands that after nuclear war nobody will be alive. But the most dangerous, for my opinion, it is viruses. Everybody thinks that it is the greatest risk of global catastrophe like this, but I'm sure that it looks like this. After America bombed Japan in 1945, 166,000 of people died. Is one of the biggest war. But more people die after Spanish flu. 100 million. It's just can't imagine. Every century appears a new virus, which takes thousands of lives. But our story don't remember nuclear war. So I don't think that soon will be nuclear war. But viruses appears every century, as I said. Everybody remember Ebola viruses, one of the dangerous viruses in the 21st century. A lot of people died. 10,000 of people died of Ebola. Ebola was in Africa. In 2015, Bill Gates predicted coronavirus pandemic. It was after Ebola pandemic, but he predicted not only this. He predicted that we are not ready for a pandemic. We haven't got enough medicine. We haven't got enough people to help. We don't have anything to help and to be protected. We win Ebola because hundreds of people fly to Africa to help us. But the main reason why we win Ebola, the main reason is that Ebola does not spread from there. It was just a luck. But situation shows us that we are not ready for serious pandemic, like coronavirus. It is more dangerous than Ebola. It spread for air. It is more deaths after this. But what should we do to be prepared for the pandemic? Bill Gates said, the best lessons, I think, are how to get prepared again. What we do for a war. He means what we should do everything like our country prepared for a war. To have a lot of people, to have a lot of bombs, but he means bombs is a medicine. First of all, I think we need strong health systems in a poor country. Poor country like in Africa, in India, also we should have a strong health system in good countries. Because Italy is just one of the biggest countries in the world, but it is one of the most worst situation during the pandemic of coronavirus. Secondly, we need a medical resource corps. I think everybody in the school should be prepared for it. Also, we need to pair those medical people with the military. I think it's one of the most main reasons. Because if we have this medicine military, we can fly very fast to a place where we find new virus. Also, military can block all town. And secondly, fourth, we need to do simulatory. What does it mean? We should show a situation that we find a new virus, very dangerous. We should do situation a lot of people have it. We should block maybe for 3 days or maybe for 5 down and show people that we are prepared for virus more dangerous than coronavirus. Okay, I think we must do all of this because evil doesn't sleep and coronavirus is just a warm-up, as Bill Gates said. So I think this should be absolutely be a priority but we need to get going because time is not on our side. If we start now, we can be ready for next epidemic.
It was powerful.
Yeah. What about questions? Do you have?
I know everything was really clear and really cool. I think this is the best presentation of all day.
And so actually I've got a question. You said that like every day new viruses appear, and do you think it's a natural process or man-made?
I think this is both of them, and nature, and some of scientists discover new viruses and doing them. I think this is one of the worst things in our world. I think it should be blocked in our whole world, and if someone does it, he must be going to a prison.
Mm-hmm. And what can be the reasons of making the viruses artificially? What do you think?
It's just politic, new guns, new viruses.
So like arms race.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Did you have a question as well? No?
And how do you think, or how do you feel, in which century humanity will die because of virus?
I think after coronavirus, our government will be prepared for viruses, but I think someday it will come. I think it will be soon. I think maybe 500 years, maybe 600 years, but I think someday it will come.
And you think that humanity will die of the virus?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. That was very interesting.
Really, the best presentation of all.